Alright guys, so we're now at the South Terminal bus station on our way to Badian. We're here in Badian and my dad is telling me about the property my family owns, my Lola owns, and we actually own an island. The Manicus clan does. Good morning, Jaycationers. We're here at Bayfront Hotel having our buffet breakfast. Each room includes breakfast for two. So Madi had to pay how much for the third?
Up to 160.
It's like 260 pesos for a third. But they have a ton of food. They have a huge spread here. It's good. It's alright. Yeah, we're enjoying. I just woke up. I'm exhausted. They're bumping Backstreet Boys here at this hotel. Old school style. Baby, quit playing games with my heart. What's up, Jaycationers? We're back here in our hotel room at the Bayfront Hotel. We are packing up to go to Badian, which is also in Cebu, but it's a 3-hour bus ride. So we're gonna figure out how to get from Cebu City to Badian via bus. So we're going to the South Terminal, the South Bus Station Terminal, and then after that, we're gonna be on like a 3 to 4 hour ride to Badian, which is near Kawasan Falls. You guys, if you guys are familiar with the Philippines, you guys know Kawasan Falls. It's in a lot of picture postcards and magazines, and it's just like one of the most beautiful waterfalls and most popular waterfalls in all of the Philippines.
20 minutes later.
Alright guys, so we're now at the South Terminal bus station on our way to Badian. It was about a $3, 180 peso ride, grab taxi from the SM Cebu City Mall and our hotel. And we're about to ride right now to Badian. So it's about a 3-hour ride here to Badian. We're going towards Kawasan Falls. That's where our resort is. You have to take the Ceres tour bus, and you just go directly to the bus and you pay there. I'll tell you how much when I get inside because Madi just paid for it and they're inside waiting. It's air conditioned too.
Sit there so you can vlog.
So for 163 pesos, it gets us all the way to Badian. 163 each. So me, mom, and dad are like almost 400 or 500 pesos. So 160 pesos each to get to Badian. About 3-4 hours ride. Air conditioning, so it's all good. I also read ahead of time that you have to take Bato via Barili, so that's the only bus that stops in Badian. Don't take the one towards Oslo because that will just take you to Oslo and won't go the route to Badian or Kawasan Falls. So that is SM Seaside City. Haven't had a chance to check that out yet, but I'd like to if we have time, but time's a wasting.
Eventually.
Alright, Jaycationers, we just got here to SM Seaside. So we're about 3/4 to Badian. We're at a bus pit stop right now. Yeah, it's a long, windy road once you get inland and have to cross to the other side of the island. So get ready for that adventure. I've been on this bus for 3 hours. I've had to sit next to her and hear her chat and blab for 3 hours.
Hi guys.
Alright, Jaycationers, we just got here to Badian Beach Cottages. Literally right off the water, look at this. in Badian, and my dad is telling me about the property my family owns, my Lola owns. We're gonna go hopefully check it out, but yeah, we're looking at all the documents, and it's in Zaragoza Island, which is crazy because it's just right down the street right here, and we actually own an island. The Manicus clan does, right?
We're gonna turn it into a big resort.
What are you gonna call it? Asunction's Resort? Chong?
Instead of Gilligan's Island, it will be JJ's Island.
You guys gotta see what my dad's wearing right now.
My tribute to my favorite entertainer in the world, storyteller, food critic, #1 a-hole of a man, Tony Bourdain. Rest in peace, buddy.
What's up, guys? So we're at my dad's second cousin's familial house. It's 106 years old, and we're like on the border of Badian and Moalboal, and it's in the center of everything. It's like in the center of the city. 106 years old. She's trying to refurbish it.
Very Chinese looking. Lolo. Chundido. What is the last name? This one.
Most of it is refurbished, but part of it she had to fix up. We're here checking it out. It's kind of dark. Sorry for the darkness here, guys.
Barrio of Poblacion. This is Poblacion. This is the one there.
Oh, that's the one
Yeah,
there.
we're closer. It's supposed to be one of our brothers. And that's what the document says.
Hey, we're in Canyoneering Vasquez's house, 106-year-old house. It looks like the house that we visited yesterday, which was Jose Rizal's house.
Here is the real Jose Rizal.
It's only a 106-year-old house, but it looks similar to that property.
How are you related?
She's my second cousin, Cora. My mom and her mom are first cousins. It's bola bola. It's like pulat puti.
The Central Market, the building, was built in the late 1800s.
Another shout out to my homies, Stacia and Ryan, Death by Vlog. Madi's out here watching you guys in this video.
What's up?
Alright guys, so we just went to visit my dad's second cousin, Cora, and she showed us around Badian. And your mom, Lola, they have some land up in here. Like some gold mine land.
Gold mines.
Like, she doesn't own just one property. Like, she owns part of an island, but she also owns other properties around Badian. Moalboal is close by, Oslab's close by. There's a lot of things around here. Yeah, there's a lot.
Yep. We're gonna check out the land tomorrow, see where exactly they are.
Yeah guys, so instead of me going canyoneering, Kawasan Falls is right here, and I'm gonna go there early in the morning before people come. So we'll go out there really early. We'll get that on the vlog. Instead of canyoneering, we're gonna go on a tour and go check out these properties that my Lola owns, and yeah, maybe see this island. It's called Zaragoza Island. But anyways, that's the night in Badian. If you guys like this video, please hit the subscribe button, mga ubesh. Hit the like, comment. Do any of y'all own any islands in the Philippines? Let me know in the comment section below. Alright guys, magandang gabi. What is it in Visayan?
Maayong gabi sa inyong lahat.
Close out the vlog.
Boom.
When you're living off the land.